Welcome back, fam. Coach Nate here. Have you been waking up with stiff hips, tight hamstrings, a locked up back, or maybe just sitting too much and feel this discomfort? This 5-move stretch flow will open you up, improve mobility, and set you up for the day ahead. If you sit a lot and feel tightness in your hips and lower back, you need this. And if you want deep, effective stretches to loosen up fast, you need this. Or maybe you just need a quick, powerful morning mobility boost. You're gonna love this. No equipment is needed, just your mat, your breath, and 5 minutes. We're unlocking tight hamstrings, a deep hip tension, and chest stiffness while improving spinal mobility. By the end of the session, you'll feel lighter, looser, and more mobile. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you. Stick through to the end and I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by waking up the hamstrings and spine. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Slowly hinge at the hips and fold forward, letting your head relax. Keep a slight bend in your knees if needed. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This relieves lower back tension, stretches the hamstrings, and calms the nervous system. Beginners bend the knees slightly for more comfort. Advanced stretchers grab the ankles or place palms on the floor for a deeper stretch. Your hamstrings are opening up, but the next move is where the real magic happens for your hips. Now let's drop into a deep squat to unlock those hips. Time to mobilize the hips and strengthen the legs. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Drop into a deep squat, keeping your chest up. Bring your elbows inside your knees and press outward. Hold for 1 minute, rocking slightly side to side. This opens up tight hips, improves squat depth, and strengthens the lower body. Beginners hold onto a chair or wall for support. Advanced stretchers lift your heels slightly for a deeper stretch. Think your hips are open? The next move will show you just how much more they can go. Now let's drop to the floor for a deep hip opener. Now we take it deeper into the inner thighs and groin. Get into all fours position and spread your knees wide apart. Keep your feet flexed and slowly lower your hips toward the floor. Rest your forearms or stay upright and hold for 1 minute. This targets the inner thighs, increases hip flexibility, and improves squat depth. Beginners keep the hips high if needed. Advanced stretches push the hips further back to deepen the stretch. You've unlocked deep hip mobility, but let's add a new angle to take it even further. Time to externally rotate the hips for even more range. We're taking the frog stretch up a notch for maximum hip opening. Start in the frog squat position from before. Instead of holding still, gently rotate your hips outward, lowering your chest toward the floor. Keep alternating for 1 minute, feeling the internal rotation deepen. This enhances hip mobility, stretches the adductors, and improves range of motion. Beginners keep the movement gentle and controlled. Advanced stretches allow the chest to lower for a deeper stretch. Your hips are now fully open. Now let's finish with a spine and shoulder reset. Time to lengthen the spine and open the Now we decompress the spine and open the chest. Start on all fours and walk your hands forward. Keep your hips high while lowering your chest toward the floor. Rest your forehead down and hold for 1 minute. This stretches the spine, shoulders, and chest, reversing the effects of slouching. Beginners, keep your arms slightly bent for comfort. Advanced stretches, try placing your chin on the mat for a deeper stretch. With your hips open and spine stretched, your entire body is fully reset and ready for the day. And just like I promised, if you sit at a desk for hours, your body needs more than just a routine. That's why I created something special for you. Go grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning stretches, midday stretches, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and the best moves to help you stay pain-free all day. It's linked in the description or pinned comment. Go grab it now before you forget. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.